Good afternoon, Steve from All Star Case Breaks. We're doing a box of 2015-16 Upper Deck the Cup for Lantz. One of the funnest products every year to open. Let me take these out slowly so I don't jiggle them any more than is necessary. Even though I guess they've come via FedEx and been handled how many times. All right, which one would you like? 1, 2, or 3? All right, first up, 246 out of 249, Marc-Andre Fleury for the Pens. Devin Shore, 67 out of 249. There's the number. Martin St. Louis, 4 of 25. It's a beautiful card. Is that a 5 color? 1, 2, 3, 4. Signature patches. Scripted sticks. Kopitar. Shows a ton of use. That is 36 out of 35 for the Kings. Barkov, Luongo, and Yager. Patches.
How you doing, Steve?
Man, I'm doing well. Busting the cup right now. You want to see some beautiful cards. That was 3 of 10. Hit a McDavid earlier in the day. And last card. Christoph Bershey. Hey, you got 2 rookies. I know they weren't the right ones, but 159 out of 249. Well, thanks, Lance. Let me know if you want any more boxes out of the case. Just to recap, 2 rookies. Triple patch out of 10. Kopitar out of 35. St. Louis out of 25. Devon Shore out of 249. And Fleury out of 249.
That's damn pretty. There's no telling how much money that's worth.
All right, continuing on. You said box 1, right? Yeah. Man, I'm getting better at getting those open. All right, first card, Jason Spiza. Come on. That is 122 out of 249. Yeah, good luck. Jean-Francois Berube for the Islanders, 131 out of 249. Charles Hudon, 24 out of 25. Lance, forgive me, I didn't look. Where are you from? Hey, will you get me a thing of top loaders? The right of 180s right in there. Could you open it for me?
Yes, sir.
Thanks. Oh, Hudon is good. Lance, this is a nice card. Not exactly the one you want, but a nice one headed to Kansas. Numbered out of 99. 22 of 99.
Oh, wow.
Enshrinements, Connor McDavid.
It's got to be one of them that you want.
Yeah, beautiful card. Nice auto. Corners look good. Lance, just so we're on the same page, you want this in a soft sleeve and a top loader, right? Yeah, it's acetate. I just want to make sure you want it in a soft sleeve and top loader, right? Yeah. Okay. That's how I would ship it. Congratulations, man. Great card. That's what you said you wanted, so. Card number 4. Quad jersey for the Flyers. Simmons, Voracek, Guru, and Shen. That is number 5 out of 25. Yeah, I personally wouldn't ship cards in magnetics, but people ask for it, so we do. And last card, Guy Lafleur, 95 out of 249. One of the legendary players for the Canadiens. I hate to say it, but I remember seeing him play. That was a long time ago.